Thank you for downloading Tamarind Learning's Wealth Workbook. Today, we will be highlighting the 7th exercise in the workbook titled Family Wealth Window. The workbook was designed to help advisors key into what wealth means to their clients and help them explore the personal implications of wealth. Each exercise is intended to help beneficiaries and their families tackle the challenges that wealth can present in a mindful way. This exercise, adapted from the Johari window model, provides an opportunity to improve self-awareness and personal development. Stay tuned for additional exercise reviews and check out Tamarind Learning's website for podcasts, webinars, and other tools to facilitate your client's wealth education journey. The window is divided into 4 panes. The left half reflects the things an individual knows about themselves, while the right half reflects aspects that are unknown to them. The family wealth window explores these knowns and unknowns in relation to wealth. The nature of this exercise requires trust, communication, and feedback from others to understand what is unknown. Thus, it may be helpful to complete the exercise in 2 stages. The first stage will explore the left half of the window that is known to self, and the second stage will require external feedback from friends, family, colleagues, and the like. Starting with the top left pane, labeled here as number 1, think of information that is known both to yourself and to others. This is known as the open area. The more self-aware you are, the more prominent the windows on the left side will be. Reflect on how self-aware you are about your wealth. Do you understand how your wealth impacts your internal and external world? Do you understand how others perceive you in relation to your wealth? Is your family's wealth public knowledge? Use the first pane to reflect on how open you are about wealth. The first quadrant is a great launching point to think about what others don't know about you and your relationship with wealth. Quadrant 2, or the hidden quadrant, shows the things we keep to ourselves about our wealth. The less trusting you are, the larger the hidden pane will be. Perhaps a family value is to downplay wealth, and as a result, your family lives modestly. As an advisor, this may be a good opportunity to check in about the hidden things in a client's life. There may be things that are hidden because of shame, uncertainty, or familial norms. Encourage opportunities to meet peers who they feel comfortable enough with to share and explore their relationship to their wealth. The hidden area can be reduced by sharing feelings and information with others, bringing it into the open. However the hidden area shows up for your client, this quadrant is a good opportunity to reflect on how they feel about keeping things about their identity under wraps. To complete this exercise, clients need to solicit feedback from people in their lives. Note that the panes are illustrated equally, but as the depiction shows, you can think of the borders of each quadrant as flexible. As communication increases, information not known by others or to oneself can shrink, while the areas that are known to self and others can grow. Soliciting feedback is integral to this exercise as it allows the client to address the blind area or quadrant 3. By understanding and listening to feedback about how others perceive us and our relationship to wealth, the open area expands, increasing self-awareness. The blind area illuminates what we do not know about ourselves, and it may be uncomfortable to solicit or receive feedback, particularly if the client is closed off with a large hidden area or has low self-awareness. While the exercise is intended to be informative and even transformational, it is not intended to be hurtful or demeaning. Thus, as an advisor, you can coach your client on how to ask for constructive feedback. It may be a safe place to start with modeling constructive feedback for your client, or you can help them create a questionnaire that helps them ask relevant questions. Additionally, the client can reflect on feedback they have received from others in the past. Finally, the 4th quadrant represents the unknown area. This area is unexplored and includes things that are not known to the client or to others. This area can include information, feelings, capabilities, and the like that are not yet visible. In the future, the hidden can be teased out through self-exploration and open communication with others. After completing the exercise, reflect on the window. What surprised you? What did you learn about yourself and your relationship with wealth? Reflect on the exercise and consider how you might grow with the information excavated from feedback. We hope this exercise review was insightful. Follow Tamarind Learning on LinkedIn for more tips and exercise reviews.